In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust brightness on Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. If your screen feels too dim during the day or a bit too harsh at night, a quick brightness adjustment can make a big difference for eye comfort and even help your battery last longer on a laptop. We'll walk through this in a clear, simple way so you can get it right the first time. Start by opening the Settings app. You can find it from the Start menu. Look for the gear-shaped icon labeled Settings. Once Settings is open, go to the System category. This is where Windows groups the core options that affect your device's behavior. From there, click Display. Display holds everything related to how things look on your screen, including resolution, color, and of course, brightness. At the top of the display page, you'll see a section called Brightness and Color. Here, find the brightness slider. This is the main control for increasing or decreasing your screen's light level. Drag the slider to the right to make the screen brighter, or to the left to dim it. Move it gradually and give it a moment to settle so you can judge the change accurately. A good approach is to aim for a level where white areas aren't glaring and dark areas don't look muddy. If you're on battery power, keeping brightness a bit lower can noticeably extend runtime while still keeping the screen readable. If you don't see the brightness slider, don't worry. On certain desktop setups that use external monitors, brightness might be controlled on the display itself rather than in Windows. Also, some special display configurations or remote connections may temporarily hide this option. The key point is that, on most laptops and supported built-in displays, the brightness slider in this section is the place to adjust it. Once you've dialed in a level that feels comfortable, close Settings and take a moment to check your new screen brightness. Look at your desktop, open a web page with a lot of white, and then glance at something with darker tones, like a photo or a document. This quick review helps confirm that your setting works well across different content and lighting conditions. Remember, you might prefer a brighter level in daylight and a dimmer level in the evening to reduce eye strain. That's it. Open Settings, go to System, click Display, adjust the brightness slider under Brightness and Color, then close Settings and verify the result. With this simple adjustment, your Windows 11 screen should now be comfortable and clear for whatever you're doing.